Welcome back to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to draw this type of simple basic exercise on SolidWorks. Now first of all see the dimension of our object. This is our top view. This is our section front view. This is our right hand side view. Now first of all this is our top view draw. And this is dimension 360 by 360. Now see, and this in this top view 4 hole 30 diameter and 4 radius on this top view and radius dimension 20 and see in this exercise on this slide. Now first of all change the dimension. Now select this top plane and sketch. Now select this center rectangle and draw like this. Now okay, and smart dimension, and this dimension is 360 by 360 like this. Now done. Now fillet and select this edge, this point also, this and this dimension is 20. Now done. Okay, now select center line to the midpoint and draw like this. Now first one more time center line to the midpoint and draw like this. Now go to this smart dimension. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension is 260 and this line dimension is also 260. Now done. Now go to this. Now see, first of all this is 260 and this is our 260 also. Now we make this hole 30 diameter and 4 hole on this side. Now select the circle and draw on this center and smart dimension and this circle diameter 30 Now done. Now select this linear pattern and select this x direction. Select our object and go to this reverse direction. This distance 260 and entity will be 2 and done. And go to this y direction. This entity will be 2 and this is in reverse direction. This is our degree 2 entity and this dimension is 260 and done. Now okay, now see, our sketch will be done. Now go to the feature and extrude boss base and see, and extrude up to 50 Now type 50 Now done and okay. Now see, now top view are complete and select our front plane and sketch and normal. Now select this line and draw to this side like this and okay. Now go to this fillet and this select and this both line dimension is 260 and okay. Now first of all this dimension is 260 radius and this will be 150, this will be 150 and this is 50 thickness. Now done. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension is 150 done and this line dimension is also 150. Now done. Now go to this exit sketch. First of all okay, exit sketch. Now go to this swept boss base. Now select this circular profile and this diameter of the circular profile will be, so in this will be 290. The bigger one will be this 290. Now type 290 and done. Okay. Now see, our swept both bays are done, and select this OK. Now this is our done. Now select the surface, sketch and normal. Now draw like a top view, one square center rectangle, and this center rectangle dimension 360 by 360 smart dimension. This dimension is 360 and this dimension is also 360. Now done. Now fillet, select this line and this dimension change 20 mm. Now select all corners and done. Now our rectangle will be done. Now go to this line. Okay, first of all line, center line and midpoint for construction, and draw like this, and one more time draw the line, draw line to the midpoint and draw like this. Now drag this dimension like this. Now smart dimension and this line dimension is 260 and this line dimension is also 260. Now done. Now go to this circle and draw one circle to this both center. Okay, now done. Now smart dimension and this circle diameter 30 and done. Now this one 50 and this point to this line dimension will be also 50. Now go to this linear sketch pattern and select our object in reverse direction. This dimension is 260 and done. Now see, now in y direction entity will be 2 and the distance of the circle will be 260. Now see, this is an upward side. Now select this reverse side and see, this is done. Now done. Now select this OK. Now feature extrude in reverse side, and this will be 50, extrude up to 50 mm and merge result and OK. Now see, this is our sketch will be done. Now we make this swept cut through this hole and this diameter will be 210. Now select this surface first of all, this boss base, and unhide this sketch, swept boss base, unhide. Now see, this path will be unhide. Now select the surface and sketch, and the sketch will be normal. Now select the circle and draw to this face to the center, smart dimension, and the diameter will be 210. Now done. Now exit sketch and to make a swept cut hole. Now go to this swept cut and our profile will be selected. Now we select this path and select this path. Now see, this sketch will be, swept cut hole will be done. Okay, now see, this hole will be created, and hide this path, hide. Now done. Now see, our half object will be done. Now we make this chamfer and the radius will be 10 mm. Both are 10 mm. Chamfer will be 10 mm and radius will be 10 mm. Now go to this side, go to fillet first of all, and select this corner edge and this corner edge, and dimension is 10 mm and done. Now we make a chamfer. First of all, go to this, select this edge and this edge, this both are chamfered. Now select, go to this fillet and select the chamfer, select this edge and select this edge, and this dimension will be 10 mm and degree will be 45 and done. Select the OK. Now done. Now see, our object will be somehow done. Now we make this hole. Now this bigger one will be 60 mm diameter to this top and this right hand side view. We make this 4 holes. Now select this face, sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw one circle first of all, like this. Now this circle diameter 60 mm. Now one more time circle and draw same as now smart dimension. Now apply relation this circle, select all circle and make as equal, means 60 mm diameter to this all. Now go to this OK. This our sketch all are done. Now feature and extrude cut, and this is extrude cut up to 10 mm. Now see, this is extrude cut up to 10 mm. Now 10 mm and done. And OK. See, now same as select face, sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw circle to this surface, like same as top view. Now smart dimension to this only one, 60 mm diameter. Now select this and this. Now make as equal. Now done. Now go to the feature and extrude cut. Now this is extrude cut up to automatically 10 mm and done. Now see, our this object today exercise will be done. Now show the preview of our today exercise, and we make appearance and apply appearance. Now go to this appearance and to different appearance. Now see, this is our today exercise will be done. And don't forget, like video, share with your friends, and subscribe channel for more tutorials.